Well, it breaks my heart to sell her, but the girlfriend doesn't like it, the kids don't like it. I just can't understand it. It's just so lovely. I've only had it a few months. It's 1962 Morris Minor. It's got the 1948 front on it, 1948 grille, low light. These are H4 headlamps. A couple of other little mods I'll go through as well, make it a bit more usable in today's traffic. It's very solid underneath, all waxed and welded. There's no welding at all needed on it. It's a very clean looking machine. The rear tyres are a bigger size than the front ones, only slightly, give a bit more sporty look. In the boot here it's very solid underneath, where they always go, very clean. Inside's lovely, it's been all recovered. A little bit of wear on that one mat there, but the rest of it, it's all brand new mats. Very solid underneath. Soundproofed, very solid. The whole car's like that. Let's start her up so you can hear it running. I've just done the head on it. I had 30 thou taken off. Put MG rockers in and double valve springs. Why not while I'm on there? Starts up with no throttle, nice and easy. Now, let's just open the bonnet. He's got the old style dash. Oh, look at that. There. Try again. Right, they all need brake lines, servo assisted brakes, alternator, H4 headlamps. The head's got double valve springs, MG rockers. Just done it myself actually. Lovely, the engine, the bores are fine. This is a 1275 MG midget engine. It's with a single carb. What can I say? It's lovely, very solid. Engine number, C engine, always makes me laugh. So adjust the heating. You adjust this knob, it's an early one, you adjust that knob, you put the heating on, turn that in, that turns the heating on. You can upgrade it, but why? Put an old AA badge on. Old 96.2 tax disc. Mama Man Owners Club badge. The red stripe I just put back on. A little bit on the paint aren't perfect, but it's still very presentable. Yeah, a little bit here, look. It's not really any rust, it's just other than lick of paint maybe. I mean, they're a Force road bridge, aren't they? But it's been good for 60 years. And it'll be good for another 60, I'm pretty sure. Absolute darling of a car. Free tax, of course, no MOT. Clean air zone compliant. And the insurance cost me £127 fully comp, including legal cover. Oh, I don't really want to sell it. Maybe I'll just park it in the garage. I don't know, I'll put it up. If somebody goes for it, fair enough. It's a lovely car.